Let me show you how to solve this challenge. First of all, you need to create the put route. I'm going to use the put method here. The URL should be, or the path should be post slash and the colon ID. And the second argument is context. It's a callback method, or you can say that. Let me wrap my code inside the pseudocode. Here I need to find the index of the post. How can you find the index? I'm going to use the find by index method, find index method. It will take the callback method or predicate. I'm going to use the post and I'm going to use the arrow function. And here I need to specify my predicate or my condition or my logic. p.id post.id is equals to context.params.id. If my request params ID match with the current post ID, then I will get the index of the post. So here I'm going to write some additional logic. If user wants to update the ID, then what I will do, I will update the ID of the current post. So how can you do it? I'm going to use the index and the ID because user wants to update the ID. Here I will provide the ID, but I forgot to destructure them. I'm going to use destructuring here, ID name and the content. And how can you get these properties? I can use context.request.body. And I'm going to use the same code for the name. And I'm also going to use the same code for the content. If user wants to update the name, okay, no problem. You can update the name. And finally, I'm going to replace the ID to name. And here I'm going to replace from ID to content. Let me replace that content. And here I also need to replace the content. Everything looks good so far. Let's remove some comments. Get rid of these comments. I don't need it. I don't need them. And I also remove this one. I also need to remove this one. And here I'm going to remove this one, get rid of this content. Now here I need to send all the posts in the response. So how can you do it? It's very simple by using context.body is equals to post. That's it. I'm going to format my code. Now everything looks good. I'm going to run the application by using npm run dev. Application is running on port 4000. Let me send the request from the postman. First of all, I would like to find all the posts. Here you can see that Node.js, Sales.js, and Vue.js. Let's imagine that I would like to update the name of the Sales.js developer with post ID 2. So what I will do, I'm going to select the post here. The URL should be http://host 4000/post and the ID will be 2. I'm going to select the body here. Here you need to select the raw because we need to send the JSON. So I'm going to write the name to Angular developer. Let's say that. Haha, did you see that? The Sales.js developer name has updated to Angular developer.